how to log into EGGER or Egger employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. After that, on the search URL, type in Egger employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. From here, head over to the first link that says login my EGGER or www.acre.com. Click on that. Then you will be taken to this interface. From here, head over to the upper right section. There, you will get login button. Click on that. Then you will be taken to login page. Here on the interface, you will get an empty text box that says email address. Now to log in, first of all, enter your valid email address associated with your account, and after that click on continue. Then you have to enter your password. So enter your correct password here. If you want to save in your login information, you can simply click on this checkbox that says remember me, and that will save your login information on your desktop. Or in case you forgot your password, there is a link that says forgot your password. Click on that, follow some screen instructions, and that will help you out to recover your password. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can create a new account by registering on Egger by clicking on this link that says register now on www.egger.com. Click on that, and that will help you out to create a new account. And once you're done typing in your password, click on login button. Then on the next page, you should be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login credentials. And that's how you can log into Egger employee account. That's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.